Hi guys, and you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about top organic or eco-friendly products that are like available on Amazon, and you can definitely try them out. I believe we are those level of generation who are very aware of the demerits of using plastic or those items that are non-biodegradable. So I think it's the right time for us to switch over to something that's more absorbable by nature. It's just that these are small changes that I feel like if we bring to our own personal lives, we could together make a difference all over. So it's not that I'm somebody who completely does not use plastic products or somebody who is completely over to organics. It's not like that. I have so many products that I use, but apart from that, I think if we start switching on to these organic or eco-friendly products, it would be really positive towards the environment. And we do copy makeup trends from Western countries. We do try adapting their lifestyles, and I've seen them being so aware of organic products, and they have been switching over. Another thing before that is these organic products are not just good for the environment, it's also so beneficial for us. Like if we are using organic oils, or if we are using something that's chemical free, that's actually we are helping ourselves, right? So why not switch on to that? So with that being said, let's move on to the first product. First product that I want to talk about is the organic coconut oil. Green is the Max Virgin Coconut Oil. It's a cold pressed coconut oil, and I've used this personally, and trust me, I was somebody who used to use Parachute, and now I'm sure like with the coming of beauty influencers, etc., we are aware of what virgin coconut oil does to our skin and how beneficial it is. But there are still some of us who are still stuck to Parachute, and we are still not towards the cold pressed oils. So I'd highly recommend you guys to try the cold pressed oils, or to try those oils that are virgin for your hair. That would actually be very good for your hair as well as for your skin. So when you have like better options available in the market, why not switch on to that? Of course they are a bit pricey compared to your normal products, but then that's like it's worth it. Next product that I want to talk about is like a holy grail product, and I don't know why didn't I switch over to this before. Like if you are somebody who uses makeup, or even if you use it like occasionally, or even if you are like a beauty influencer and you use it, you don't know the amount of cotton pads, the amount of tissues that you have used on your face to get rid of this makeup. And I'm talking about this product. It's from the brand Earlobe and Accessories. It's the microfiber facial towel. So this is like so environment friendly. I mean, it's like just like half of the price you pay for the cotton pads or the tissues, and it just does the job even better than that. So these are like so soft microfiber towels that you can use just to wipe the makeup. Like you could wet the towel and then you could wipe it. So one towel can be used like 3 or 4 times, and then you could wash and reuse this, and it's so friendly towards the environment. So I don't know why didn't I switch to this before. So I would definitely recommend you to try this. It's superb, and you could see the ratings also on Amazon. Plus it's for 317 rupees, which I think is not too much that you pay for compared to the amount you spend for the facial wipes or the makeup removers. So I think you should definitely try this. The next product comes in the stationery category, and this is from a brand called Greenotech India. These are paper pens. So these are like pens that are not plastic, and that sounds really weird to us because whatever pens we have been using as for now has always been a plastic pen, and you don't know the number of pens you have used in your life. And imagine that being non-degradable into the nature, and not just you, like thousands of people out there. So this brand has come up with a very environment friendly pen, and these are like paper pens. So they look super classy, and they work efficiently. Like you won't find quality compromise in any way. And apart from that, I guess the price you pay for 10 pens is around 235 rupees, which I think is pretty good considering the fact that they are working towards the environment. And also even if you like buy one pen, you would roughly get for about 10 or 20 rupees. So yeah, so this pen is like for 20 rupees, plus you have to stay at home. You don't have to like go and purchase the pen, and then you get it home delivery. So definitely, and I think a step very positive towards the environment. So definitely check this one out. Next product that I want to talk about is toothbrush. Now this is something you can't really escape, and I believe each one of us use like one toothbrush for 3 months at most, and then we switch over to another toothbrush, right? That roughly gives you like around 4 to 5 toothbrushes in a year. Like you do change 4 to 5 toothbrushes which are still plastic, and counting the years that I have used, I think over hundreds of brushes since my existence, and they are all plastic. So you can definitely switch to these bamboo toothbrushes. They are very soft, they are very gentle, they are made of wood, and again these are also very good. And I guess you get like a pack of I don't know, I need to check this. Yeah, so you get like a pack of 4 for rupees 250, which I think is fine at the comfort of your home during this pandemic phase. So definitely do check this out, and please do switch over to these. Like, I'm not telling you guys to switch completely towards anti-plastic mode, but there are some products that you could use in your personal lives and make these small tweaks to, you know, be positive towards the environment. And not just you, if all of us out there would think the same way, I think we could bring at least like a 20% change to the environment, definitely, and that's better for us, right? So next product that I want to talk about are these canvas totes. The best thing I liked about these are they were available in super prints. Like, I love the prints that they had to offer, the brand had to offer, and they are so pretty, like conscious humans, and they are say no to plastic, and it looks so trendy. Now I know I'm not asking you guys to switch over your leather tote bags to a canvas tote bags. That I mean, if you do prefer that, you could, but you know, whenever we are going on to markets, we do tend to carry like these poly bags or paper bags which sometimes tear off, or the poly bags which sometimes wear off. And also, you know that nowadays the shops are not offering you poly bags, so why not switch over to these? They are like super trendy, and I think they are affordable as well. You could have like 2 to 3 of them, keep it in your cars, keep it in your purse, and you'll be like all sorted. And also it's made of like cloth, so it would be like very durable, so definitely check that out. Next product that I want to talk about are these plastic bottles. Now we have been currently obsessed with using the plastic bottles, and I don't know, from ages we have been using so, but why not switch over to glass bottles? So I would highly recommend you to try this one out. It has like though it is a bit expensive, but I guess considering the quality you get and considering that you are using a glass bottle, I think this is worth it. And also it's going to be very long lasting, like more durable than the plastic one. Also, you are safe from so many chemicals that you are taking in with every sip of water, so why not switch over to that? The next product is something that should be now in every household. Now I'm sure we all have been using dustbins, and there has always been like this black plastic cover on our dustbins, but though it's made of like very thin plastic, you know, it's still non-biodegradable. So why not switch over to those plastics that degrade very easily, that's absorbed by the nature easily. So I find it to be very price friendly. Like, it just retails for 139 rupees, and you get like a pack of 3. So these green color plastics that you see on screen, definitely switch on to this. And you could also use it for any other items. Like, okay, the next item is again for your house, and I guess all of us can relate to it. So whenever we are buying like fruits or vegetables from the market and we want to put it in the fridge, so what we do is we tend to find papers, or we find these poly bags where we could assemble each of the vegetables and then put it in the vegetable box out there. But then that consumes like so many plastics altogether. Sometimes we are running short of it, and the whole point is that you should avoid using plastics. So coming to these mesh bags, you could just purchase it once. You can also wash it. These are completely reusable, and these are like so helpful, like once you have it. The next product that I want to talk about are these organic soaps. Now it's just like using your organic coconut oil or organic or cold pressed oils. Okay, so we know the importance of using these oils, but still we don't use it. Similarly, the most common household soap could be your Lux, it could be Pears, it could be you know, any other maybe a Himalayan soap or anything else, but all these are like loaded with chemicals, and we do sometimes tend to wash our face with it in case the face wash is not available, or in case we are in the bathroom and we are using soap all over, and and then we do switch over to our face using the same soap. So these are like loaded with chemicals even if you're using it in your body. So why not switch over to an organic soap? So this one by Khadi Naturals is something that I found comparatively less expensive than any other organic brand, so do check this out. And this is their aloe vera soap. It retails for like 140 rupees and you get like a pack of 2. So considering that you pay like 40 rupees for a Lux, okay, if you're paying like 70 rupees, that is 20 rupees extra for these organic soaps, I think they are worth it. You cannot just use them on your bodies, you could also use it on your face. And I think again, these are handmade soaps, they have natural ingredients. So if you're somebody who's really conscious of it, you should definitely try these items out. If you are not, if it doesn't make a difference to you that मैं ये भी use करूँ और ये भी use करूँ क्या फर्क पड़ता है, then I don't think the entire video would make sense to you. And like I said, I am not completely somebody who has banned plastic in my life, or I'm not using plastic altogether, but the small changes that you could do, I think starting from that is also a good initiative than blaming others, right? So yeah, those were my top items, like what I have purchased recently and what I have been using recently. If you have like better options for me, or if you have like more options, more products to suggest, do let me know in the comment section below. And the best part is that all these items are like available on Amazon. You can sit at home, you can just place the order and you just get it back. So even if it's about like 20-30 rupees extra that you're paying for the product, consider that using your vehicle, going or using a public transport, the money you spend there has been adjusted here. So I think that's completely okay. And also the brands that you're getting online, these are some of the trusted brands which is not really available in the local markets. So the local products that you get and the branded products that you're getting online, they do make a difference. Of course, I do understand that not each and every product that you find online is better than the local products that they offer. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching this. This video was a little bit different than what normally I make. So yeah, this time I thought why not make something different, because when you put the video out there in like the YouTube platform, it reaches n number of people, and if you could make a difference to one of the lives also, I think that's really very satisfying. So yeah, with that being said, I really hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you want to say something, you could leave me down in the comment section below and I'll definitely answer. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.